Hi there, my name is Ogodino Uche Jude. Welcome to today's further maths class. So our topic is coordinate geometry 3, SS1, week 7. Lesson objective. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to solve intersecting lines question, find equation of locus of a point. So intersecting line, the question is there already for you. Find the point of intersection between lines 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 and 4y plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So if two lines are to intersect, that means you must solve them simultaneously. 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. 2x minus 3y will give us minus 1. So this is equation 1. Now the next one, 4y plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So moving it to the other side, that becomes 4y plus 3x equal to minus 2, equation 2. So solving simultaneously, but before you solve simultaneously, arrange properly. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 1, equation 1. Then this one, let 3x stand or come first, plus 4y, move this to this side, equal to minus 2, equation 2. So multiply this one by 3, or no, multiply this by 4, multiply this one by what? By 3, yeah. So 2 times 4, 8x minus 3 times 4, 12y equal to minus 4. 3 times 3, 3 times 3, 9x, 3 times 4 plus 12y, 3 times this minus 6. So add up. This should give us equation 4. And okay, we have 1 and 2 already. So this should give us equation 3 and equation 4. So add 3 and 4 together. This gives us 17x. If you add this and this will give us 0 minus 12 plus 12, 0. Minus 4 minus 6 give us minus 10. So x is minus 10 over 17. So that's the first coordinate. Then the next thing is you look for your y. So from equation 1, which is 2x minus 3y equal to minus 1. So 2 into our x is minus 10 over 17 minus 3y equal to minus 1. So this becomes minus 20 over 17 minus 3y equal to minus 1. So collecting like terms, this should come here. Minus 20 over 17 plus, you move this one over to this other part. Move this one to this place, 3y. So that's the same thing as saying 1 over 1 minus 20 over 17 is equal to 3y. So if you look for the LCM, that gives us what? 17 minus 20, right? So that means minus 3 over 17 is equal to what? 3y. Cross multiplying. If we cross multiply, that will give us 3y times 17 is equal to minus 3 times 1. So this will give us y is equal to minus 3. 3 times 1 is minus 3 over, divide 3 times 17. 3 cancel 3 becomes y. So that means our final answer, y, will be equal to minus 1 over 17. So your xy will give you minus 10 over 17 for x, then y minus 1 over 7. So these are the coordinates for the point of intersection. So example 2, intercept on the axis. How do you get intercept on the axis? So we are going to solve that together. So find the x and y intercept. in each of the following straight lines. 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. 4x minus 5y plus 20 equal to 0. So I'll only solve A. Use the method I use in A to solve your B. So that is it. So now our solution for A. 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So to get S-intercept, y will be equal to 0. So this becomes 2x plus 3 into 0 minus 6 is equal to 0. This becomes 2x, this is 0. 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to what? 6. X is equal to 3. So our xy coordinate will be, we got s as 3 with the help of y being 0. That's s-intercept. So to get y-intercept, x will be equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. So the same equation, 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. To get the y-intercept, x is equal to 0. So 2 into 0 plus 3y minus 6 is equal to what? 0. So this gives us 0. So to go off, 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. 3y is equal to 6. Y is 6 over 3, which is 2. So for this particular one, our xy will be 0 and our y is what? 2. So those are our intercepts. Very simple and straightforward. Going to the next one. Okay, locus of a point. Example 3. Find the locus, or find the equation of the locus of points which is equidistant from the point A to this, and coordinate B, you have 4 and 5. So the solution to this is AP square is equal to what? BP square. So if you want further details of this, when we meet in class, I'll tell you how this formula was derived. Now, if you want to get our AP, that becomes our X and Y. For the very first one is what? 2 and 3. So this gives us X minus 2 square plus Y minus 3 square equal to, then BP square, you do the same thing for this now. That is what? For your X and Y, is the same thing as 4 and 5. So what do you do now? You say X minus 4 square plus what? Y minus 5 square. So that's what you do. Then you expand. X minus 2 to X minus 2 plus Y minus 3 to Y minus 3 equal to X minus 4 plus Y minus 5 Y minus 5. And the rest is easy. So let's finish up. So x times x will give us x squared minus 2x times minus 2x. At the end, you have minus 4x. Then this times this will give us plus 4 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 equal to, this will give us x squared minus 8x plus 16. This will give us plus y squared minus 10y plus 25. Now, if you bring minus s to this side or this side, they will subtract each other. So they are going to cancel out. The same thing with this cancel out. So what remains? Bring this one here. This one becomes minus 4x plus 8x, then plus 4 plus what? 9 minus 6y, or let's write the one we have first, minus 4x minus 6y plus 4 plus 9 equal to minus 8x plus 16 minus 10y plus 25. So collecting like terms, you should go here. But before collect like terms, have we added all that we have here? So I want to add now. Let's add. Minus 4x minus 6y plus, this one is 13, equal to minus 8x minus 10y. If you add these two together, what is it going to give you? That is 141. So bring everything now here. It's better this way. Minus 4x plus 8x minus 6y plus 10y plus 13 minus what? 41 equal to what? 0. So this will give us what? 4x plus, this should give us 4y plus, this should give us what? Not even plus, should give us minus 28 equal to 0. So 4 is common to all of them. Divide through by 4. Divide through by 4. So that's x plus y minus 7 is equal to what? 0. So this is your equation. Divide this by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. 4 times 7 gives us 28. So x plus y minus 7 is equal to 28. So this is the answer, x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Now, example 2. The only difference in example 2 was the equation is not equated to 0, but equal to what? 40. So you do the same thing here. You apply the same thing. X minus 4 squared plus y minus 7 squared plus x plus 2 squared, because x minus minus 2 will give us what? Plus 2 squared plus y minus y squared is equal to 40. So solve together, and at the end of the day, this is what you are going to get. And that is the end of our lesson for today. So with this, folks, hope you enjoyed this class. I still remain Mr. Jude Ogodino. Till we meet again in our next class, please keep keeping safe.